Hello everyone, thanks for stopping back today. Excited to do some product demos, box openings. It is a little bit too early to go camping yet, but I've got some products I am excited to show. So let's get with the first one, and that is the new Solo Stove Mesa XL. Just was released. So let's get to it. All right, here we have it. Solo Stove Mesa XL watercolor. This is the aqua blue color. I thought that would be a fun one to have. So here's the box. Let's see what it states. Easy to use, low smoke, dual fuel. Let's see if we can read that. Anything else worth noting on here? Here's what's in the box. You get a flame ring, high heat ceramic coating, dual fuel grate, signature 360-degree airflow, and a stand. Height is 8.6 inches, diameter 7 inch. Stainless steel, mini firewood, and wood pellets for fuel. There we go. Alright, let's see what's in the box. I just cracked the tape just to make it easier on video. Here we go. Let's see what's in here. You're going to see what I see. Okay, first thing in here is in the little instruction manual. We'll take a look at that. Rewards. I don't know if that's a little decal. Pretty neat. Little carrying bag. Everything seems to be housed in. And nothing else in the bottom of the box. Alright. There we go. Keep that off to the side there. Let's see what's in our nice little carrying bag. Get you lined up here. There we go. First thing I see, a little bit of scratch here, huh? Maybe the first one's out of the... Yep, scratches on both sides. Well, be sure to check your product after you get it. Mine is a little scratched up, surprisingly. Look at that. That is not something I can wipe away. So be sure to check your product when you first unbox. It is nicely built. Pretty heavy gauge stainless steel. First item here is the ring. Nothing sharp, nothing to be concerned about. Set that to the side. This is the stand that it comes with. We'll set that to the side. Nice and collapsible. Folds down. Pretty self-explanatory. And here's the unit itself. As you can see, it's all one unit. There is no pellet ring accessory. Nice new redesign. I like that. And there we have it. There it is, all unit. I like it. Doesn't take up much space. So this is the Solo Stove Mesa XL. There we have it. Let's do some demos. What do you think? I've got plenty of pellets we can use, and I have plenty of wood we can try out. So let's see how this works. I appreciate you stopping by on this unboxing video of the Solo Stove Mesa XL. We'll see you on the next one.